You're watching news headlines on mining.com. I'm JPMorgan. JPMorgan is sticking with its bullish gold call, setting a $6,300 an ounce target by year end as investors continue to rotate into hard assets. The outlook follows extreme volatility over the past 2 days when gold plunged more than 10% from record highs as leveraged traders rushed to take profits and meet margin calls after a sharp rise in bond yields on the dollar. Well, analysts say the sell-off did little to change the bigger picture, with diversification away from paper assets and steady central bank buying still underpinning demand. JPMorgan expects central banks to purchase around 800 tons of gold again this year, helping keep prices supported. The bank is more cautious on silver, though. It warns the recent spike and crash reflects speculative access, leaving the metal prone to further swings. US President Donald Trump is preparing a $12 billion strategic stockpile of critical minerals to shield American manufacturers from supply shocks and reduce reliance on China. The White House confirmed the launch of Project Vault, combining $10 billion in loans from the U.S. Export-Import Bank, this with private capital to buy and store minerals like gallium and cobalt. The plan mirrors the Strategic Oil Reserve, but focuses on materials vital to cars, aerospace, energy, and technology. Companies including General Motors, Boeing, and Google are backing the initiative, with traders handling procurement. Officials say the move marks a shift from policy planning to execution, treating critical minerals as core economic and national security infrastructure. The U.S. Department of Defense has invested $18 million in Canada's 5N Plus to expand its germanium refining capacity. Germanium is used in night vision and advanced optics. Pentagon officials said the investment aims to secure supply chains critical to surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeting systems. The move is part of a broader U.S. push to secure critical minerals and cut reliance on China. Since 2024, Washington has committed more than $60 million to Canadian suppliers of materials such as lithium, graphite, and tungsten. More than 200 people are feared dead after a coltan mine collapsed this week in the Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo. That's according to local officials. A landslide struck the Rubaya mine during the rainy season, and unstable ground gave way while miners were underground. Rubaya supplies about 15% of the world's coltan, a key material for electronics and aerospace manufacturing. The mine has been under control of the AFC M23 group since 2024. The United Nations has accused the group of using mineral revenues to fund its insurgency. And that's where we leave news headlines for now.